Pradeep Kumar. I am a student at Ft.Pradeep Ltd College of Engineering. Before joining this training, I was actually exploring other fields as well as AI, ML, data science, and others like app development even. But what made me choose this out of all the options we were given at Bharti Vidyapith was that you can learn all of these, but a way to represent, you have to do web development. You can't show your AI models just like you just uploaded the weights and biases. It won't make any difference. You have to have a presentation layer as well, and MERN is probably the best way to start in it. My learning experience has been phenomenal because the one of the most important thing when learning anything is practical experience. हर रोज एटलीस्ट एक ना एक कंसेप्ट पे पूरा प्रोजेक्ट मिनी प्रोजेक्ट बनता था, एंड एट द एंड ऑफ द वीक एक बड़ा प्रोजेक्ट बनता था जिसमें और सारी चीज़ें जो हमने पूरे हफ्ते में सीखी थी. रियल सक्सेस दैट आई सॉ आफ्टर जॉइनिंग एंड बीन थ्रू द एंटायर कोर्स, I think one of the best thing that I actually learned was the exposure. MERN stack does seem kind of basic if we are talking about industry level things, but it is the best way to get exposure to web development. The concepts you learn here are used everywhere throughout the industry as well. I would definitely recommend this to others because whenever someone enters a CS course, or even when people are not sure about their future, you need exposure to different things before deciding that what you need to pursue. And this exposure has been mind-blowing, and you will understand everything, that even the future, what you have to learn in the future, what are the basics, everything. So it is probably the best experience I have got for web development. I would probably rate Brain Mentors out of 10 as 9.7.